Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. So as you guys can take a look right here, in the past 24 hours, the market is pretty much trading flat. We're down about 0.19%, not much down or up here. We see our top gainers in the past 24 hours, which is actually a coin we talked about in yesterday's video. So if you missed yesterday's video, go check that out. It's going to be a big metaverse play. It's going to be the sandbox. So this one is up huge in the past month or so. Let's actually take a quick look just to cover it really quickly. Right now, it is up about what? In the past month, over 716%, only a 5.6 billion market cap. In the past week, 93%, past 24 hours, 25%. Sandbox, huge play. Watch yesterday's video if you missed that video, guys, for more content on that. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin here at 36.7 billion in volume, Ethereum at 21.7. Bitcoin's down about 0.5%. Meanwhile, Ethereum is actually up 2.5%. We saw Ethereum hit close to 4,400 here on Tuesday going into Wednesday. We saw Bitcoin hit highs of about 58,000, I believe, almost at one point, and pulled back down with the market. Now we have Binance Coin, which is up about 2.5% or so. Solana trading flat. Cardano's down 6%, making a pullback here. Cardano's going lower and lower, guys. This could be a huge dip buying opportunity for the future as it's lost a lot of its capital right there. We see Ripple down 1% or so, Polkadot up 1%, Dogecoin's flat. Avalanche and Shiba both down about 7% or so, making huge pullbacks right there. Crypto.com still, soaring on higher, 10% higher at 85 cents, almost at all-time highs once again. And then we see a lot more coins that are literally trading flat. Then we have Polygon up about 7%, and some other ones like Decentraland, another metaverse play down here, up about 7.33%, trading at 424. So, there's gonna be a lot of plays out here that you're gonna be looking out for. You just have to, time it and be the first one to get in on them, guys. So if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more content like this and not miss out on plays, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Coinbase, check out the link in the description. Get your $10 when you invest your first $100 into crypto on Coinbase. So check that link out in the description. Now let's get into it. Before we check out these altcoins, first of all, we're going to look at the crypto bubbles. So crypto bubbles, we're seeing a lot of greens, which means a lot of these coins are actually moving up higher. So here we have Cocos, which is up over 415% in the past week. We have Gala, another big mover here, over 247% or so. We have Rose here, Oasis Network, which is up 103%. We have Sandbox, which is the one we just talked about, 89% or so. VGX right here, Voyager token. A lot of people like this one, 71.5%. And then many other green coins here, as you guys can see. This is the most green we've seen in a long time here, actually, in the past few days that we've been talking about crypto here. So there's a lot of green here, and it's very nice to see some big names here on this list. So guys, let's get into the altcoin list. So right here, first altcoin is gonna be Helium, HNT. So Helium, we love this coin right here on this channel. We love to talk about it. So Helium, one of those coins that continues to soar on higher and higher. Here in the past 24 hours, it's pretty much trading flat at $43.66. In the past week, we're literally trading flat once again, down about 1.5%. On the 1 month chart, this coin is taking off, guys. Up over 104%. It was trading at around $20. Now it's trading at $43. We saw it peak at highs of $55 actually at one point. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 2,586% from lows down here of about $1.60 in last November. We hit highs here in April. This is when a lot of people were trying to get into this coin and obviously get into mining Helium coin by ordering different miners. I personally myself did order one of these miners in April. Did not get this mining equipment that I was looking for. It's been postponed pretty much until Q2 of 2022, I believe. So it literally took a year to get this that I ordered in April. So all this money and profit I could have made from April until now mining this coin was not made due to this company. So I'm not going to talk about that, because I don't want to talk about this company. It's probably one of the worst decisions I made in my life is buying from this particular company for this Helium miner. But life goes on. I missed out on that opportunity. We go on to the next one. We saw here Helium pull back to about $10 or so, and then skyrocketed on up all the way to about $50. So about a 400% opportunity here from July to November. So in about 4 months or so, 400%, 100% every single month right there, booming higher and higher. 4.5 billion market cap currently on Helium. Volume is up 28% higher than usual at 46.4 million. We see our circulating supplies at around 102.6 million of Helium coin, which is 46% of the total supply. that they have right there. So this coin continues to rise, and I think it's going to continue to rise in the future as well. I would not be surprised to see Helium trading at over $100 per coin in the next few years. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about Helium? Are you buying any? Do you own any? And have you actually heard about this coin? Now, the second altcoin is going to be Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin here in the past 24 hours, up about 2.5%. It was up even higher here, but made a pullback here with the rest of the market, trading at $581. In the past week, we're down about 1.5%. Past month, we're up 19% actually, with highs of 669 at one point. In the past year, we're up over 1,620% from lows of 28 cents last November, hitting a peak here at 690 in May, pulled back down with the rest of the market all the way to lows of about 250 or so, and then from that 250 area we hit highs again over 650, which is about a $400 gain right there, close to 150+% gains from July until the a high there in November. So big massive momentum play right there with Binance Coin. Continues to grow, almost at a 100 billion market cap currently. Volume is up 38% higher than usual at 2.9 billion. And then obviously, if you guys aren't familiar with this coin, while Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount, obviously, as they want you to use Binance Coin instead of using something else. So that's definitely another benefit right there with that one. Now, Binance Coin, in my opinion, will continue to grow. It is one of the top coins, like we always talk about. Obviously, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance, Solana. All these coins up there are very massive, large cap coins, but they're a little bit more stable. So obviously, you want to look into more stable coins compared to some of these newer coins that are not as stable as Binance Coin, which has been around for a very long time. So this one definitely want to be watching for any dip buying opportunities in the future, in my opinion. Then we have number 3, Polygon, also known as Matic, one of our favorite coins back in the day. Here in beginning of 2021, we used to talk about this coin very often, as we were looking for a greener coin, especially in the April time period. As we take a look right here in the past 24 hours, it's actually up about 7% or so, trading at $1.71. In the past week, we're up 9%. Past month, 4%, with highs up here of $2.22. In the past year, this coin is up over 7,798%, guys. Insane. It was trading at around 2 cents last year. We hit highs here, obviously, in May at 268. This is when the green coins started to get hyped here, end of April into May. We saw it go up 100% in a matter of a day or two here, from $1 all the way to highs of 268, pulled back down, came back up, and then literally the market sold off and it came back to lows of about 60 cents or so. And then obviously from that 60 cents area, we went up about 200% plus here once again and continue to rise on higher. Pulled back down, we're consolidating now and waiting for that next leg up. The lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher, which is a beautiful sign. Current market cap on Polygon right here is going to be 11.9 billion. Volume is up 66% higher than usual at 1.2 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 70 days. It is ranked the number 16 coin on the ranking list. 61% buy activity and 39% sell activity. Now, Polygon, well, this one is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network. A scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. And obviously, the Matic token is used to pay for transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So that's obviously another positive. Now, something to keep in mind with Polygon is that the network allows you to do many of the same things that the main Ethereum network allows, but with fees that are often a fraction of a cent. You can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap or SushiSwap, yield generating lending and saving protocols like Aave, NFT markets like OpenSea, or even no loss prize games like Pool Together. Now, to try the Polygon network, you need to send some crypto to a compatible crypto wallet like Coinbase wallet. You can then bridge some of your crypto. Stablecoins are obviously popular choice for this to the Polygon network. You'll also need you'll need to bridge some Matic to make a transaction, but then even $1's worth is plenty, because the fees are so low, which is definitely a positive thing. We like low fees, not huge gas fees like we're seeing with some of these other coins that we're seeing like Ethereum, huge gas fees right there. So definitely a nice here thing with Polygon, and could be an alternative choice for the future. So definitely a coin we're going to be watching in the future as well. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said, Solana pretty much trading flat still here. Dogecoin and Shiba are making a pullback. Obviously, Dogecoin is still staying up here. Dogecoin, no matter what happens, it stays around this 20 cents level. Between this like 19 cents area and 25, 26 cents level, no matter what happens. If, the market's up, Dogecoin's flat. If the market's down, Dogecoin's flat. It doesn't really move much, but, Shiba Inu is definitely moving lower and lower here. Cutting its pretty much a high peak that it had pretty much by half right there. Meanwhile, Dogecoin is still stabilizing, staying in the same area. It's literally been for past 5 or 6 months or so. We've literally been here since June, so that's insane here with Doge. It's staying stable, which is a positive thing for any Dogecoin investors. It's not really going up or down, and you're staying pretty stable right there. So then we have Bitcoin, down about 0.5% today, with those highs at close to 58,000, like we said at the beginning of the video. In the past week, we're down 5.5%, past month 7.5%, and then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 195%, with the peak at 69,000. Now we're at 56,000 or so, which was close to the previous highs that we've seen in the, past few months. 1.1 trillion market cap currently. 33% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. 70% buy activity and 30% sell activity, with volume literally being flat here at 36.7 billion. Then we have Ethereum, which is up about 2.5%, with highs of almost 4,400 on Tuesday. In the past week, we're up about 1.5%, still trading around this 4,300 level. In the past month, we're up 2.5%. Past year, 607%. So on the 1 year chart, obviously Ethereum is 3 times more profitable than Bitcoin has been in the past year. We're over a 505.4 billion market cap currently. 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. 21.7 billion in volume, up 12% higher than usual. 65% buy activity and 35% sell activity on Ethereum. As you guys can see, the typical hold time days is 72. Bitcoin is at 75, but Bitcoin and Ethereum have been trading a lot more often recently, and that is bringing down that average, I guess you could say. So that's pretty much what's going on in the market right now. We're trading sideways here in the past few weeks or so, up and down, a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit down, a little bit up. The pattern continues. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what are you doing right now? Are you investing into anything? Are you into metaverse coins? What are you getting into right now? Or are you just waiting until the end of the year and in the beginning of 2022 to get into some more stuff, or for the next inflation, news that we get out there for a potential inflation hedge with crypto? Also, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me if you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, like we said, check out the Coinbase link in the description. Get your $10 when you sign up, and get your investment of $100 plus in crypto. That's when you will get your reward. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays. Goodbye.